Welcome back to new video. Today you are gonna learn the journal entry of asset purchased and issued PDC. This is so simple. Let's go to the video. There are two transactions. 16th April 2023, plant and machinery worth 200,000 dirhams purchased from XYZ company. When you purchase any asset, you have to debit the asset account, not purchases account. This is the first and foremost thing you should understand when you pass journal entry of purchasing an asset. Here you have purchased on credit because you can see the supplier name in the question and nothing mentioned whether it is purchased by cash or check. The second transaction is a PDC issued dated 16th June 2023 to XYZ company against machinery purchased on the same day. Look at this, how to pass the journal entry. So, on 16th April 2023, plant and machinery account debtor to XYZ company account, 200,000 dirhams. On the same day, you have issued PDC, which is dated on 16th June 2023. So, you have to record it on the same day of purchasing an asset. You know that PDC is the post-dated check, and that check the supplier XYZ company can present to the bank once hit the check date only. So the entry would be XYZ company account debtor to PDC issued account, 200,000 dirhams. On the check date here, that is 16th June 2023, this date the supplier XYZ company deposit to the bank and get his payment amount. So the entry would be PDC issued account debtor to bank account 200,000 dirhams. Hope you got this point. Thanks for watching, and if you find the videos are beneficial to you, then give like, comment and subscribe to motivate me to upload more videos. Also don't forget to press bell icon so that only you will get notifications of my new videos.